We're here at Rivers of Steel's historic Carrie Furnace, and the goats are here eating weeds on about a half acre of land. Rivers of Steel hired us to bring in the goats to clear out this area. It's really overgrown. It's difficult to clear because it's this industrial area, and they've tried clearing it out by hand before and haven't had a lot of success. So some of the benefits of using goats, they can go where people and machines can't. If you're using goats, you're not using as many herbicides or fossil fuels. The herd that we have is 9 goats and 1 donkey, and the donkey is a livestock guardian. So if a coyote or a stray dog were to get in here and get after the goats, the donkey would chase them off. I think it is really interesting that the goats are here at Carrie Furnace. I mean, our name is still City Grazers. We're actually here at an old steel mill, which is this industrial site, and then there's these natural goats eating wheat. So I think it's a really cool juxtaposition, and I'm really excited for this to be one of our first jobs.